bro. That's awesome. I saw a wake come after my lure. That's awesome. Trout man. Cast over by the bank. And oh, he's about to get off. Cast over by the bank. And it's bringing it back to me on the retrieve. And I saw something follow it. Like a huge wake. Like it's hard to. I don't know if you can tell in video, but. Awesome. So I cast along the shoreline, and I saw a wake come after my lure, and I killed it for a second. You know, I could paused the retrieve, and it struck. So I'm gonna let him go after getting a picture. But hope you guys like them. Oh, took you right off. Cute. Alrighty guys, I think I'm gonna head in for the day. I actually have work scheduled later on today, so I'm gonna go in and take care of that. So I'll probably have this uploaded onto YouTube later on tonight. So I'll probably be editing this video during my shift, which is cool. Had tons of action, I guess you could say. Like, I had tons of pickerel following up my lures, like the swim dinger and the trout magnet, but like 0 strikes. So they weren't really committed. I don't really know what was up with that, but I'm happy I caught a pickerel. So yeah, it's just made my day a whole lot better. So yeah, if you guys are still watching the video up until this point, I do appreciate it. If you guys could LSS, again, that's like, share, subscribe, that would be pretty cool. And if you found anything informative or useful throughout the video, feel free to LSS. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned to upcoming content and future videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.